This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear up some memory on your Android phone. So if it's running a little bit slow, go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down and look for Device Care. So I have a Samsung phone. I have Device Care right here. I can go do it. And I can scroll on down and I can go do Memory now. So let's tap Memory. And it's just checking everything that's open and running on your phone. We can go to View More. And we can see all these applications and stuff are running. So free up memory by stopping background apps. So we can go to right there. And it's just going to close some of these down. And then it's going to tell you how much memory you freed up. So it seems like everything just kind of, pops up automatically. And there's more stuff on here. So even if you close it down, it's going to pop up again. So just go through here and just close down what you can. We have our excluded apps. Then if we want to get more RAM on our phone, a lot of phones do have the option for extended plus or something like that RAM. So if you're not using all your RAM, make sure you just choose the highest option right here. So your phone will run a little bit smoother. So it's very easy to clean this up. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.